come to the exhibition site of Sany. Let's take a look at these prototypes on site. 60 of Trinity, 70 of Trinity, and 135 of Trinity. This is 31 of 200. Sany's 375. 31 of 900. Oops, this big guy is the absolute king of the mines. The product range is very complete, from small to large. Many customers are already in place. Next to it is a Sany 956E electric loader. Look at the venue. There are also 16 and 18 of Trinity. This one is Sany's 20 small vehicle.